Hi everybody, so this is just like more of a fun video because a friend of mine gave me this GTX 750 Ti Windforce by Gigabyte, and this has had a lot of extreme overclocking. I don't know why, but it does play with overclock settings and stuff like that. And he basically said to me that it caught on fire during the overclocking process. This is a 60-watt TDP card and was drawing like 90. I don't know if what I'm saying is possible, but this is what he said to me. He opened up this card and he found a blown MOSFET. So today I have nothing to do. Let's get a shot at this. Maybe we can repair it. Let's see. Okay, so I took the cooler off and I set this burnt mark right here and this blown MOSFET. Yeah, this is pretty bad. I hope there will be no damage to the PCB, just the MOSFET alone, I hope. And what I'm planning to do with this. So I've got a lot of 360 Xbox One motherboards like these ones. This is a One S Motherboard and there are a lot of MOSFETs right there. This is a dead card anyway, so I will probably try replacing this MOSFET right here with one of those to see if it will work. I will also need to refresh the BIOS because this is a modified BIOS. And nothing, that's it. Let's see if this will work. So for now, let me see if I can show you my multimeter. I get it like this. Okay. In diode mode. And we put the red probe on ground. Like this is a ground point, I am sure about it because if I put it right here it says 00. And we are probing the fourth point of the MOSFET. You cannot see from my recording, but on the MOSFETs there are actually 4 pins on a side and like a giant ground plane on the other. Okay, so there is pin 1 marked with a circle. You don't want to probe on pin 1 but on the fourth one. And 460 is good. 460 is good. 564 is good. This is pin, yeah. 460 and 460. Let's see over here. 662. 662. It's a bit burned, and let's see the burned one, just for the fun of it. 013. Dropping 191. This is completely burned out. Okay, so what I will do now? Now I will replace the MOSFET. I put the card right here so you can see what I'm doing, and with my hot air gun I'm going to remove that burned MOSFET. Before doing that, I would like to take some Kapton tape over these components right there, just because I don't want to overheat them and explode. So let's grab a bit of Kapton tape. Captain tape, for who doesn't know what I'm talking about, is heat resistant tape. This will help with the temperature. So I have 480 degrees Celsius on my hot air gun. Let's see what happens. You will not see so much, I'm completely understanding, but at the moment I have my hot air gun on the MOSFET that is blown, and I'm trying to take it off. And I can reach out now. And the MOSFET is off. Let's clean the area with some IPA. I will let it cool down now. Then I will clean the area. Now I will put some lead solder under. Let me grab that Xbox One S board and let's see if I can replace those MOSFET with these ones. I mean, they are like identical. So I just checked online and found out that these MOSFETs are actually AON 6508, and those are 30 volt, 32 amps, and the one on the One S are 30 volt, 75 amps, so those are really better than the one who was in there. So we can definitely replace it with one of those. So I will see you guys when I'm done removing this MOSFET right here. I will test it now just to see if it is good or not. Fucking. This one is good, this one is not even soldered. No, it is good too. Okay. So it is good. Let me take it off and we will see. So I got this MOSFET off the Xbox One S board, and it is kinda compatible. So I will try to solder it in place and see what we got. Now I will take a picture so you can see what I did. And like before, I'm going to zoom out a bit with the multimeter here in diode mode. Let's see if we get a good reading or if we don't. Let's see. So this one on ground and this one here. We get 541. That's a pretty good reading for me. Let's see the other pins. 005, 005. And that's correct. We have done. Now we just need to test this card. Let's see, yeah, it's cooled up. The card has been remounted, so I will switch to my phone and record if this will run or if this just explodes another time. Let's see. Okay, let me clarify. This looks shitty, okay? And yes, this is my room, but I need to clean it up. But we are here to test the graphics card, right? So I installed it right here. And now we are going to see if I can get any kind of post out of there. It hasn't exploded yet, so it's fine. And yeah, we got the post. We got the post. American Megatrains. Let's see if it goes to the BIOS. Easy. We got it. So it turns out that you can actually grab a MOSFET from a Xbox Series S and put it on a 750 Ti WindForce. And I know the exposure on this camera is bad, but it's my phone, so whatever.